I'm Keith Honegger. My wife and I purchased this property several years ago, and we liked the neighborhood and we liked the home, but we also liked to entertain, so we wanted to upgrade our kitchen from what it was. We decided to go to Mr. Planners and just sort of get a turnkey approach to the thing, and that turned out real well. And it was nice having sort of one-stop shopping. I did appreciate that. Didn't have to run here, run there. And we could see the appliances ahead of time. Overall, we've been really pleased with how this project turned out, and I like the idea that it wasn't so complicated for us. Mr. Planners made it pretty simple to do. They're carpenters, they're cabinet installers, and all the subcontractors that came through. It was just good. And it was really, to be honest, nice not have to do all the planning yourself. Let somebody else do that. Nancy and I had ideas we liked, and John would come up with some new ideas. And one of the things he did that we really liked and never thought about is having a coffee bar. It's a nice place to sit in the morning with a fresh cup of coffee. The light is good, and you can do your reading sitting there. And if we have guests over, it's amazing how many of them like to sit in that chair and visit. So that was a unexpected bonus, getting this laid out the way it was.